Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Before starting today's class, just an information that we have started information and we have collected the emails regarding our new online batches. So if you are also interested, you can drop us an email germanclass70@gmail.com. So email address you can find below in the description. So from coming weekend, we are going to start different batches, A1, A2 and B1 exam prep batches. If you want to learn B1 level, that is okay, but we have specially exam prep batches for B1 level. So let's start for today's class. You can see here als und wenn. What is the difference between als und wenn? How can we differentiate? This is very important. Okay, so we'll see with the help of few examples how can we differentiate als und wenn. Before I'll read the sentence, I would like to say that als we use in the past event. If something happened in the past, one time, ein Malik, once happened in the past, like when I was 18, I used to play cricket. When I was small, I was very naughty. This is als. When we use for the present and future, like it's conditional sentence. Okay, it means if it's raining, I will not go out. If the weather is good, I will go for outing. Conditional sentence, present or future. Or when we also use in the past for repeatedly event, sehr oft, that happened more than once. Like always when I was at home, there was no electricity. Always when my mother used to visit me, we used to go out. So something happened in the past more than once, we use when, immer wenn. Okay, immer wenn. So let's see some examples. So blank, ich 16 war, spielte ich gut Cricket. 16 war, so here one time event, so here als. Als ich 16 war, when I was 16. Or you can write any age here, als ich 20 war. Or you can say als ich Kind war, when I was child. Als ich Kind war, spielte ich gut Cricket. I used to play very good cricket. Als ich Kind war. Second, immer wenn. This I was telling you. Immer wenn ich in Berlin war, sah ich Reichstag. Immer wenn. Always whenever I was in Berlin, I used to visit Reichstag Parliament. German Parliament is called Reichstag. So this immer wenn means more than one. No? I was not in Berlin for once, just only for many times. So whenever I was there, I used to visit the Reichstag Parliament. So immer wenn, repeatedly event in the past. Then ich in der Schule war, nahm ich am Quiz teil. Als ich in der Schule war, when I was in school, I used to participate in the quiz. Okay, nahm ich, nahm ich, and this is the verb position you can see. Am Quiz teil. Als verb position last. Verb is last. Another verb start immediately after comma. This is another verb. So you can say verb 1 and then verb 2. Similarly here verb 1, verb 2, and this is a verb 1 and this is second verb. So this is the sentence formation. Next, immer. Immer wenn. Immer wenn meine Mutter bei mir war, kochte ich selbst. Immer wenn. Always whenever my mother was with me in the past, I used to cook self. I cooked self whenever my mother used to be with me in the past. Okay, so my mother used to visit me, not frequently. So, but whenever she used to visit me, I cooked self. Then this is present event. Here when is post fahre. If I go to the post office, kaufe ich die Briefmarken. I'll buy the stamps, Briefmarken. So if I go, this is present conditional sentence. If I go to the wenn ich zur Post fahre, kaufe ich die Briefmarken. I'll buy the stamps for you. So this is the basic difference between als and when. I hope you understand this. You have a good idea after watching this video. So many videos you can find in our playlist, A1, A2, B1, newspaper readings, online quiz you can find in the playlist. There are online quizzes. So please do and watch all these videos, more than 1000 videos available on our channel, and like this video and share it as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.